Welcome to Tuesday Talks from General Practice Solutions. In today's episode, we are focusing on a key trend currently affecting general practice: the increasing pressure on practice teams to improve efficiency, manage growing workloads, and make better use of existing resources. Across primary care, practices are continuing to experience significant operational challenges. Rising patient demand, more complex patient needs, and increasing administrative responsibilities are placing pressure on already busy teams. As practices work to maintain access and deliver high-quality care, there is growing recognition that improving internal processes is essential to creating a more sustainable way of working. One area receiving increasing attention is the management of administrative workload. Whilst clinical appointments are often the most visible part of general practice, a significant amount of work happens behind the scenes before a patient reaches a clinician. Incoming correspondence, referrals, clinical coding, document management, prescription queries, and workflow tasks all require careful coordination to ensure patient information is processed safely and efficiently. A key challenge currently being discussed across primary care is how practices can reduce unnecessary workload while ensuring important tasks continue to be completed accurately. Many practices are reviewing their processes to identify where time can be saved, where duplication can be reduced, and where additional support may help teams work more effectively. This focus on operational improvement is particularly important as practices continue to adopt new ways of working. The growth of digital systems, online consultations, and multidisciplinary teams has created new opportunities, but it has also introduced additional layers of coordination. Without clear workflows and defined processes, technology and increased service options can unintentionally create further administrative pressure. General Practice Solutions supports practices by helping strengthen the operational foundations that allow teams to work efficiently. Our experienced associates provide flexible support across key areas, including clinical coding, document processing, workflow management, summarizing, telephony, and administrative services. By supporting these essential functions, we help practices maintain control of their workload while protecting valuable clinical time. Another important trend in primary care is the move towards proactive workload management. Rather than waiting for backlogs to develop or teams to become overwhelmed, practices are increasingly looking at early intervention and flexible support options. This allows issues to be addressed before they begin impacting patient experience, staff well-being, or service delivery. Operational resilience is becoming a key priority for practices. Having access to additional support during periods of increased demand, staff absence, or organizational change allows practices to remain stable and responsive. Flexible support does not replace existing teams; instead, it strengthens them by providing additional capacity where it is needed most. At General Practice Solutions, we work alongside practices to provide the support they need to improve efficiency, manage workload, and continue delivering excellent patient care. Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Tuesday Talks. If your practice would like support with improving workflows, managing workload pressures, or strengthening operational resilience, General Practice Solutions can help. To discuss your requirements, please contact us on 0208-865-1942 or email enquiries@generalpracticesolutions.net. We look forward to joining you again next week.